Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Nature Time with Blue. So in the last episode, things didn't go as well as I planned, but do you know what? Hey, it was a mistake. It was a mistake. Crap happens, okay, especially in nature shows. So, yeah. So, since we actually did the backyard, how about we do the front yard? Come on, let's go. Look at this right here. Just the beautiful grass. The beautiful and amazing grass. Just look at that. Just look at this right here. Look at this. Ah, man, it's so darn good, right? Like, look at it. It's so amazing. Look at this flower right here. Look at this flower right here. Look, just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. So much better. So much good. Oh, look over here. It's the only flower in this bush. Okay, the bush that we literally keep getting freaking like hit and impaled. You know that crap every single video. But whatever. Oh man, it's so good. Oh man. Actually, kind of think of it. I think that'll be it. But there's really not that much in here. I guess we could just stop what we're doing. Blue, what we're gonna do? I don't know. I didn't plan this out, okay? I did not know there were like less flowers in the front yard. Oh yeah, but what are we supposed to do? We're supposed to release the second episode today. Look, how about we just calm down and maybe we will use the footage right now, and we'll basically do like another take later, maybe like in the park, or maybe that flower shop down the road. But it's not freaking nature. Well, yes, it is. Dude, it's inside, not outside. Come on, it kind of counts. Go! Whoa, what was that? Oh my god, I think that was Junior. Oh my god, come on, let's go. Dude, you okay? Yeah, are you okay? Like, seriously, like, I heard your call. You sounded like you're scared. Guys, strange things are happening. What strange things? Yeah, what strange things? What are you talking about? Look, back here. Wait. What are you talking about? What the hell? What? Look. What the frick? God. What? Frick? What is that? Looks like a mask. Oh, let's check this out. Oh, stay there, Junior. Frick. Pennywise mask. How's that? But why the frick is it hanging in the tree? God. Did you... Like, I'm freaking darn confused. What the frick? Dude, you said you saw this when you woke up? Yes. And there's more. Wait, more? Wait, are you serious? Yeah, he's actually not wrong. What? Better check a look at this. Wait, what are you talking about? What's wrong? Look. Wait, what the... God. Freak. Guys, this is freaky, right? Yeah, I know. Oh my god. Okay, guys, this is not part of the show, okay? This is definitely not part of the show, all right? What you saw there is, let's just say, I think some terrible difficulties. Maybe someone is pranking us, or I don't know, but this is really, really disturbing, and I'm so sorry, guys, the viewers that are watching this. I'm so sorry, okay? I'm literally am so sorry, okay? This, it's definitely not part of the show, and I'm sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. This is Blue signing out, and hopefully none of this would ever happen again, okay? Bye.